Hello, everybody. Well, it's still winter here, so can't go outside and fly, and I have some time. I decided to put together the airplane I got for my 78th birthday. As you may remember, I asked for a train for Christmas, and this is what I got. Now, you might know the airplane is from the same company. So here's a few pics of the assembly process and the final product.
Let's get going! Is this supposed to be here? What is this?
Well, folks, this was a neat project and took about 5 hours to complete with these 78-year-old hands. You know, in a couple of cases, a small drop of CA and needle nose pliers actually assisted in the assembly, especially in attaching the wing to the fuselage. So maybe this kind of kit would be beneficial in the learning curve of your kids. So thanks a lot for watching, and God bless. This is Dave the Night Flyer, signing off till the next time.